Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this leather-ish office chair that I think it is really cool for home office. For home office, this chair is actually really comfortable. It supports more than 350 pounds, and the assemble process, it was quite simple. It comes almost kind of like half assembled, I want to say. It comes with the footrest assembled already. The only thing you will have to do is kind of like put the back support and the armrest, and you're all set. Probably 15 minutes, no more than that. We're gonna take a closer look, but the bottom line is that it's super comfy for either gaming, productivity, or home office. But I do think that for home office, this is a fantastic chair. Okay, check it out. It has a nice headrest over here, which has a really nice cushion, some nice flaps right here for your shoulders, as well as a really nice lumbar support over here on the bottom. This one, it's kind of like I want to say that it pushes you forward, which is it's intended. It's supposed to be like that for sitting for long periods of time. The armrests are padded, as you can see. You can't modify the height on the armrests; these are fixed. And then you have kind of like three sections right here on the kind of like on the cushion on the seat. So you have this one, which is extra padded for better circulation on your legs. You have this one right here, which is more firm, so that is for support all that weight. And you have this one there, extra firm. That is kind of like for, I want to say that if you're going to be sitting for long periods of time, you're going to be moving around, you want some firmness over there, as well as breathable mesh on the sides. Like every other chair, you can modify the height of the chair, but this is one of the good things about this one. It has a leg support, which is not a footrest, it's a leg support, because you can see that this is more for my legs, not for my ankles or my feet. But with this one, what we can also do, I think it was this one over here. Yeah, so check it out. We have a fantastic recliner. This is a nice recliner. It is super comfy. It kind of like gives you that chilling position you need for working from home, or just like taking naps in between gaming sessions or something like that. It's a fantastic recliner that you can actually, let me show you. I'm always missing up like this one. You can lock it out in any position. So that is really cool just to have. And of course, you do this and you put it back in the same position, lock it, put the footrest or the leg rest down, and you're all set. This is a really good and comfortable home office chair.